Hi guys! We are the Pastel Squadrons. I'm Pastel Purple. I'm Pastel Pink, the leader. And Pastel Blue. Blue is not skilled. She's playing K-pop Demon Hunter quiz. Yeah. So let's go. She don't wanna remove the outfit. I just wanna remove the outfit because oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is here. Here we go. Wala pa siya, guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Mag-English ka na naman. Hindi nila maiintindi. Oh my gosh, andito na sila, guys. Guys, madali lang to. Nandito na ako, guys. I'm here, guys. Jason yan! Ang dali, malapit lang. So, we're gonna speak English because you're not gonna understand how we're speaking. Sorry. My cousin is he loves Tagalog so much. And he like Adam Mitawa. Just search him at TikTok. And he like a bot. Yeah, a bot on Roblox. If you see a bot is 50 why does she need? She's there like bubble. What the hell? I'm not new. So, guys, sobrang lapit na ako. Mag-English ka nga, te. Ayoko nga, hirap kaya. So, hindi ka na magsalita, girl. So, wala, hinuhulag ako. Bahala ka dyan. Iipas ko yung video kung nagsasalita. O, English naman nun. English ka pa. Guys, she don't speak a lot of English kasi. Walang video, basta ako read, guys. English ba? Fast. Guys, so mag-isa na lang ako, guys. Kaya nag-English naman ako dito. Tanga ka. Ha? May award ako. Wow, fun. Bra, let's go another. Oh my gosh. Ay, mag-split apart kaya tayo. No, I do that. Iwan. This is easy, bro. Let's just go here. You fucking bitch. Dude, the bad words are going super Eddie. Guys, I'm waiting for my cousin. I'm gonna try this. Fucking bitch, you hindi mo binabalik. Ibalik mo lang. I'm waiting for you, bro. Sabi ko kasi sa'yo. Gamitin akin yun. Because I'm gonna one time. You pile die. Because I'm a good okay. I'm not saying bad words. Yeah, you're lying. You're saying bad. Me too. I'm not lying. You're saying because I'm not okay. I'm getting Goku's. Bro, guys, I'm just gonna leave. I'm not there. What just happened? She just teleported to another app. What the hell? We recovered her software and I just leave. And what happened? Okay, tangina. Away. Kasi,